Guys, we're gonna make a crispy chicken tender salad for lunch today. Plus, I'll show you my tips and tricks to keeping it fresh inside a lunchbox until you eat it. Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel, I share lots of lunch ideas like this one and my family's favorite meals. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button. That way you and I can cook together a couple times a week. I'm using some green leaf lettuce for this salad. You can use green leaf or romaine. Just remember to chop it up as big or small as you like, and then place it directly inside of your container as the base. I'm also gonna slice some cherry tomatoes in half, but if you don't wanna go through the trouble, you can leave them whole and place them in your salad. I'm chopping a bit of a shallot. You could also use a red onions, they're cousins anyway, and place it on my salad. Avocado and crispy chicken go so well together, so sometimes I take an avocado and I dice it up and add it in here. However, today, my avocado is hard as a rock, so we're gonna skip that. But if you've got one that's ready to go, by all means, place it in your salad. Chicken strips are the key to making this salad happen real quick. I cooked these chicken strips in the air fryer last night to golden perfection, and these two are the lucky ones that get to make it into the salad today. So what I'm gonna do is slice them into little pieces and place them directly on top. My biggest recommendation to keeping everything fresh until lunch is to pack your favorite dressing in a separate small lidded container. Here I'm adding some ranch, and I'm gonna take the lid and place it right on top. By the way, if you find tips like this one helpful, give this video a thumbs up so I know to always add them in my videos for you. Now you can make this salad in the morning real quick in like 5 minutes, or you could also make this the night before once the chicken is fully cooled down, because you don't wanna wilt your lettuce, and then place it in the refrigerator, and in the morning, pull it out and grab some ice packs, place those inside of your lunch bag, place the salad right on top, and the dressing, and this lunch is ready to go. Now the dressing is always added at the very end, right before you're gonna enjoy it, and I just like to drizzle it right over my chicken and greens, just like that, and the salad is good to go. If you love lunches like this that are crisp, fresh, and delicious, make sure to check out this next video. I've got lots of them on my channel for you. See you next time.